and I have earned the last 2 years
Wow.
$471,000 with this system.
3 years not yet finished.
And this year I become $111 million every day payouts the next 3 years.
Okay.
Yeah. And my begin date,
How much Cryptex dollar do you have now?
430.
All right, y'all. So there y'all have it, man. Just seeing that that account, that incredible account that got over $100 million in Cryptex is just absolutely inspires me, motivates me every single day. I love that video. But yeah, it's been another great week in Cryptex for me and my wife. And we're working together to reach our goals, our financial goals in Cryptex. And what you can see here on the screens is just some screenshots from our accounts. And yeah, we almost made the exact amount. Now, I started Cryptex before she got involved. But yeah, we've made almost the same amount of money. And we kind of discovered that the way we operate is we will get the contract under her account first. That's why she has more than me. But yeah, she's sitting on 83 contracts, and I have 76 contracts. But yeah, we made $46,000 this week, y'all. Another over $6,000 today. And all of this is passively. We both working. Kids is at school. Like, we busy, full-time people. Like, and all we did was just buy these contracts. I mean, you can see what we did last month. Like, we are on pace for a $200,000 month. And so I just want to continue to motivate people, inspire people, and really like get in here and try to do just to get one contract. One contract can change everything. I mean, we're not waiting to recruit a big team and all of that stuff, and that's fine. That'll come. I mean, we probably got like 15 people in here, but only 4 have actually bought a contract, and they're seeing it on the wall. I have this little tracker that I keep at my job where I'm just tracking like how long it's taken, just my account, how long it's taking me to get $50,000. And right now it's taking me like 16 days, like the last 2 times. Like, I just hit 400K in my account today. So, I mean, this platform is just absolutely incredible, but where else are you going to get this where you can just get 23K? I mean, 23K in a week on the side, right? Some people are barely getting that per year. Like, at the rate that we're going, and if y'all have watched my previous videos, our wealth plan, like our goal is to get 130 contracts each. At the rate that we're going to be having like 100K, 200K weeks in the near future, because this thing is compounding so ridiculously and so fast. So hey, it's been a great week in Cryptex. If you guys want to join my team, you can scan the QR code there. For whatever reason, YouTube's not allowing me to put links in my videos, which is fine. Everything happens for a reason. But hey, if you guys feel inspired and you want to get started in Cryptex, you can scan the QR code. It's going to take you to my website, right, where it on the website has further information about Cryptex, and you can also reach out to me and has my contact information there. But I really hope that this video inspires me. I'm going to start doing these weekly, just giving y'all weekly updates like, hey, how much we're getting per week, the compound interest, because this is absolutely insane, y'all. This is generational wealth on a whole nother level that most of the world hasn't seen. So thank y'all for watching the video. This is Diamond DeFi, and I really hope you guys will like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to keep the Cryptex content coming. Thank y'all for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.